Hi, this is Dr. David Warwick. This is a frequently asked questions. Why are chiropractors different? I think that we're all individuals who have found certain techniques either through our own personal experience, our interest, or a combination of that we really felt drawn to or pulled toward. And I think that chiropractic has a unique art side to it, not only art, philosophy, and a science to it, but artistic. It's a way of the practitioner sharing their skills, but also their ability to help people when they're drawn to a certain technique. And it's mostly what I would say more an expression of themselves, and how I equate that is that a chiropractor can be like, so to speak, an artist or a craftsman or anybody that play musician. We all see it and utilize things differently based on our own individual personalities, our body types, the techniques we bring together, or a combination of techniques even. And that's what makes it different from office to office. And as long as you're open to the possibility of different healers, I'd say the first and foremost thing is that when you're looking for a chiropractor, try to find a connection or an opportunity to build trust with not only the patient but the doctor as well, both ways, and give that an opportunity and to work with you, because they're also getting to know you, and that difference can be very influential in your type of health, especially when you feel like it's the place to go to. So, choose your chiropractor based on the relationship you develop and how they treat you as a patient, and how, like in our office, a perfect example is if a patient doesn't want a certain technique or a certain thing done, we find out and try to accommodate them, such as adjusting their neck or some other thing as best as we can, or try to find an alternative to helping them. So I'm Dr. David Warwick, and I'm hoping you're enjoying some of these video or audios of why chiropractors are different, and we will always be. One of the things I wanted to share was perfect example is a new patient will present themselves. They've been to other chiropractors, and then they're comparing their last chiropractor to us. And the thing is we're not going to be like your last chiropractor or last massage therapist or last doctor. We're all different. It just as every single one of you that enter our office are very different. So Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic and Massage, thank you for listening.